Hi, I'm Dr. Joel Schlessinger, CEO of LovelySkin. I'm here with Chrissy Kersting, who is our purchasing department manager and also in our merchandising department as well. Many hats, and we are very excited.
Yes,
Well,
this is very exciting.
I have waited like a week to do this video because I wanted to do this with Chrissy here. You can see we're kind of doing this from a safe distance from each other, but we wanted to do this unboxing together because SkinMedica TNS is coming out with a new one which is called TNS Advanced. So you see this pink thing. None of you will ever have this because it was sent out to about 100 of the top accounts of SkinMedica. In fact, we're one of the top accounts in the entire world for all of SkinMedica. I'm going to open it now, if I can figure out how to do it. So this is such a very exciting moment here. I've waited this long, and I can't wait to see what it all has in it. So Evolution of Innovation, TNS Advanced Serum, and it has a little packet that goes over what is in it, addressing all key aging skin concerns, including coarse wrinkles. The clinical subjects looked like I felt like they looked 6 years younger with just 12 weeks of use. It truly makes you go back in time. A lot of very confetti-like stuffing here. We have the product, the TNS Advanced Serum, very beautiful. It has the dual pump. So there's one pump on here, one pump on here, and they combine the two chambers, and this is it. We're going to be putting it on my skin. Wow, cool. Chrissy, it smells great. It smells great. You know, it's not the red and white that we had with the other one. It goes on very nicely, very smooth, very tactile, not tacky at all. It's very nice.
Smell.
Nice smell. Okay, so you know TNS, for those of you who know TNS, it's a great product, but it doesn't have the best smell. The TNS itself, the proteins in it have a kind of a funky smell. So we're happy to have something that people want to put on their face, and obviously who wouldn't? This is like the most amazing product. So let's go over some of the differences between this product. First of all, they say it will last a little longer. I'm not entirely sure why that is. Perhaps the pump has been redesigned, or maybe it's been optimized so that you get a little bit more out of it so it doesn't waste those last few drops. The other thing that is unique about this product is that it has some new components. So tell us a little bit about that, Chrissy.
So like the TNS Essential Serum that came before this new one, like Dr. mentioned, it has the 2-in-1 technology. So you have one product on one side and one on the other, and they come together then to give you this really, really jam-packed formula full of actives. And so with the TNS Essential Serum, in one chamber you had the TNS Recovery Complex, which was the red gel. This has been amped up, guys. It is now called TNS MR. It's clear when we pumped it out on our hands, so no more red. And it has over 450 growth factors in it. And they've married growth factors with a brand new innovative peptide blend.
So 380 growth factors in the TNS Essential Serum, 450 in this new advanced product. We have one tripeptide in the TNS Essential Serum, two forms of tripeptides in advanced, and then probiotics.
Yes, probiotics to help strengthen and protect the skin barrier, keep it healthy all the time.
And I think that the other thing that cannot be stated enough is that it is fragrance-free. Now, the other product had fragrances to cover over the smell of the proteins. This product has managed to make it so the proteins don't have that same aroma, and it doesn't need fragrances. So I guess the only other question is price.
Right, so this one really for what you're getting is not much more than the TNS Essential Serum. You get the same amount of product for $295. Again, all of those extra actives and results in as little as 14 days versus $281 for the original. So really,
$14 more, but you get a product that is fragrance-free, has 450 growth factors versus 380. You have the addition of grape, apple and linseed extract, and you also have probiotics in it. And they're saying that it goes further. I don't quite know how that goes, but I think that they've just made their pump better so you get more from 1 ounce of product. So I think there's a lot to be said to recommend this. I'm very excited, and you know, this thing, I don't know, it's pretty cool that we got this one here. You guys will get this, but we will always cherish this being one of the first to get this hot little product in our hands. We will be putting it on the website today for you to purchase. We're going to be looking forward to hearing your reviews on it. Thanks.